Hey everybody, today at the UPR garage we're working on our 2024 Mustang, and we're going to replace the factory toe link with a UPR adjustable toe link. And the advantage here is going to be strength, number one. So you're getting rid of this factory part with our high strength part that we make here in-house with the US made heim joint instead of a rubber bushing. And your adjustment point here is going to make your toe adjustments much easier. So especially you guys that do track day events, you're gonna love this part. Let me get you started on how to replace it. First thing we're gonna do is remove the factory toe link. You're gonna use an 18mm wrench here or a socket. And then we're going to use a 21mm socket here. We're going to remove this entire bolt and adjuster. All right, so the next step is to take this over to your bench, and you're gonna basically use the adjuster here to make this the same length as the part that you took out. So take your factory toe link and line it up next to your replacement UPR toe link and make this the same length by turning your adjuster. You're gonna loosen the jam nuts and turn your adjuster. And we've already done that, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this up inside. The UPR toe link comes with our own hardware, so you're going to take this hardware and install it into your factory cradle here. So you've got a couple of hat bushings that go into the end of the heim joint. So these hat bushings here are going to go into your cradle. And you're going to run your bolt through. The square washer is going to fit between the two tangs on the cradle. That's going to center this heim joint. Again, your adjustment is now going to move to the toe link itself. To tighten this up, you're going to use a 22mm wrench and socket. Just go ahead and get this snug. Let's go ahead and get this snugged up. Probably gonna need to push the knuckle out a little bit to get the bolt to go through. When you're adjusting the length of your toe link, you're going to use a 1-inch wrench and an 1 1/8 wrench. The 1 1/8 wrench is going to be used to release and tighten your jam nuts. The 1-inch wrench will be used to lengthen or shorten your toe link, which is going to change your toe. Again, should be done by a alignment professional. That's how you're going to adjust it. When you're all done, you're going to torque both nuts down to 129 foot-pounds and tighten your jam nuts back up. And that's your UPR 2015 to 24 adjustable toe link.